Welcome to our channel, Oneshot Traders, empowering traders with knowledge and insights for successful trading, tips and strategies for successful day trading. Welcome to our video on day trading. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of day trading, tips and strategies for success, and some of the risks involved. Part 1. What is day trading? Day trading is a type of trading where traders buy and sell financial assets within the same trading day. This means that they open and close positions within the same day, without holding any positions overnight. The goal of day trading is to make profits from short-term price movements in the market. Part 2. Tips and strategies for success. No. 1. Set realistic goals. It's important to have realistic expectations when it comes to day trading. Don't expect to make huge profits right away. It takes time and effort to become a successful day trader. No. 2. Develop a trading plan. Before you start day trading, it's important to have a solid trading plan. This plan should include your trading strategy, risk management, and entry and exit points. No. 3. Use technical analysis. Day traders use technical analysis to identify short-term trends and patterns in the market. This involves analyzing charts, indicators, and other market data to make informed trading decisions. No. 4. Practice proper risk management. Risk management is essential in day trading. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose. This means setting stop-loss orders and having a plan in place for managing losses. Part 3. Risks involved in day trading. While day trading can be profitable, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. No. 1. Market volatility. The market can be unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. This can lead to significant losses for day traders. No. 2. Overtrading. Overtrading can be a common problem for day traders. This is when traders make too many trades, which can lead to increased transaction costs and decreased profits. No. 3. Emotions. Day trading can be stressful, and emotions can get in the way of making rational trading decisions. It's important to stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan. Conclusion. In conclusion, day trading can be a profitable and exciting way to trade the financial markets. However, it's important to have realistic expectations, develop a solid trading plan, and practice proper risk management. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success in day trading. Please do subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.